with regard to the proposed bipartisan engagement between the two political formations. This has been the inaugural meeting, which indeed has served as an icebreaker of sorts. We have dealt in a number of issues, and it is now clear that the matter of the leadership of the two teams that will be leading this process has been settled on our part in those negotiations. And my colleagues will announce they have actually settled on the Honorable Itonga Murugara as the leader of the negotiating team on the Kenya Kwanza side. So that is settled. We have got one sticking issue that needs to be resolved. In the course of our engagement this morning, we did raise the issue of the inclusion of the Honorable Aden Kainan. They have also raised an issue about our inclusion of the Honorable David Kosing, the Honorable Kosing's party leader, the Honorable Governor Longanyapuo, has since entered in some arrangement with Kenya Kwanza, which of course we are not privy to, I must confess. So we have objected to their objection. Okay? They have equally objected to our objection. And therefore, to be frank enough, that amounts to a stalemate. But we have chosen, as the leadership of the two coalitions in the houses, that for us to resolve this matter and move forward, we shall be referring these matters to the leadership of our respective coalitions.
We also appreciate that the bipartisan committee is yet to be formally established, as would be in Parliament, and therefore they can begin what we term as the preliminary informal engagements to begin work on the terms of reference of what they ought to be doing.
It will be impossible to agree on everything, but at least we have made some good progress. There are things that we have agreed on, then there are some that unfortunately we couldn't resolve, at least not at our level.